Now there is no reason why you can't eat cereal every day.
And you can eat it without feeling the slightest, tiniest, bitsy guilty. If that's even a word. Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I am Muhammad.
And she is
Honey.
Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious, and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
Let's get started. Please listen. Ingredients are, yeah.
4 cups gluten-free old-fashioned rolled oats.
A cup of your preferred kind of nuts and seeds. We use sliced almonds and pecans.
1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon.
A 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt.
1/3 cup of maple syrup or honey. Both taste great.
1 tablespoon of non-alcoholic vanilla extract.
1 cup unsweetened cocoa flakes.
A 1/2 cup of chopped dried fruits.
Organic semi-sweet mini chocolate chips.
A 1/2 cup of coconut oil.
Toss together all the dry ingredients, except for the coconut, chocolate chips, and dried fruits, which we will add after baking. Then mix in the wet ingredients.
We're going to pop them in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. Just so they bake evenly, we're going to split them into 2 12 by 10 pans. Mix halfway.
Remove from oven and mix in the coconut. Pop it back in for 5 minutes just so we can get them lightly toasted.
Let the granola completely cool down before adding the chocolate chips and fruits.
You can store this in an airtight container for up to a month. Oats has so many benefits. High in fiber, great for weight loss, and prevents cancer. Good for your heart, high in antioxidants, and controls your blood pressure.
Bismillah.
For me, I like plain yogurt, mix in some honey, and top it off with granola.
So like that?
Yes. Personally, I like to eat mine straight out of the jar.
It's delicious and the best and hayati.
The best granola ever.
What do you mean?
More chocolate?
It's not legit.
And it's great for on the go.
Not this.
Yeah. And now to the lemon board. This is sweetened with maple syrup or honey, whereas store-bought granola contains unhealthy sugars.
Although store-bought granola contains several healthy ingredients, it can be high in calories and sugar.
The serving sizes tend to be small, therefore we consume a lot more.
The homemade contains whole ingredients such as dried fruits, nuts, and seeds.
It's better to make it at home. You can customize it the way you like it. Who says you have to give up eating chocolate to be healthy? We're using organic chocolate chips that don't have flavors, preservatives, colors, or anything bad. This week's shout out goes to... Thank you for your support. Help us make a difference in what kids eat by joining the STH squad today. Subscribe, like, and share. To your mom, dad, auntie, uncle, friends, and neighbors.
And hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads.
Tag STH on Instagram whenever you make any of our delicious recipes. And as always, simple, delicious, and healthy. Who says you have to give up eating chocolate? Who says you have to give up eating chocolate to eat healthy?
And
Hey kids, my name is Aya and he is Muhammad and she is Haneen. Welcome to our show. We're big and do cool stuff.
get started. Let's get started, bro.
What's my name?
Let's get started. Christmas.
Now there is no reason why you can't eat cereal every day.
And you can eat it without eating. What?
Please wash your hand. Yeah, boy.
Okay, honey, now Ella, you say smile, cheese. Smile. Smile, 3, 2, 1, action.